Hello, everyone. Welcome to Dr. Rahul Tiwari Financial Academy. And from today, we are starting a series of webinar. And thanks for the people who have already joined us to reveal our power strategies, which any person can use for intraday, swing, or the positional thing. We have been asked many number of times by the traders and the investor as to what indicator works well, and the indicator that comes first in our list is the Supertrend. Supertrend, it's a very simple indicator. Most of the online platforms, they have it, and the buy and the sell signal changes as soon as the indicator flips over the closing price. Remember the closing price of any particular candle or the charts. When the super trend closes below the price, a buy signal is generated, and when the super trend closes above the price, a sell signal is generated. So let's straight away go and see on the charts how it could be done. So here I am actually on this Trade Tiger platform provided by the Sher Khan. And here we're gonna see how we can apply the super trend and analyze the super trend quantitatively. So this is the daily chart of the Bank Nifty. What is daily chart is actually it's the chart which samples one particular day, the open, the highest point, the lowest point, and the close of the day. So each candle here represents one single day. So let's put super trend onto this chart. So you just need to right click and go to the study, click on add study. Then you have a drop down menu which you need to select and look for the super trend, which is here. And by default, the ATR period and the multiplier setting is 10 and 3, but we're gonna use it differently. We're gonna use the multiplier 4. We go to the subgraph, increase the thickness of the indicator, apply. And we are also doing this by applying another super trend. So basically we are using two super trends application, and in some certain cases we also use the 3 super trend systems where the ATR period is 11 and multiplier is 4. But just for the simplicity we just use 2, the 10 and 4 and 10 and 6. I apply it and close it. So let's see this Bank Nifty chart, which is very volatile in nature. A couple of years back, if we have traded just solely based on the super trend indicator system. So let's go something around 2 years back, say somewhere here, 7th of September 15. So as you see, the philosophy is whenever the price is below the 2 super trend system, then we have to go for short. So here we have this closing price which is below both the super trend 4 and 6, and the price is 15,889. So let's put this, our entry is 15,889. This is the template for the simplicity and the fast execution. And our direction as per the super trend is short. So we became short at 15,889, and we became short till our closing price of the candles remains below the super trend. And once it goes in between these two super trend, we exit from our position, which is at 15,127. So we exit at 15,127. How many points we have got is equal to this minus our exit. 762. So what's going to be our profit and loss in this trade is equal to points multiplied by the lot size. Lot size of Bank Nifty is 40. So this one. And the philosophy here is as soon as our price actually reaches below this below one particular super trend, which is 10.6 and above the 10.4, here we're gonna exit whether we are in profit or the loss, because if the price reaches in between these two super trends, then actually the price remains sideways. We enter into that particular script, the sideways scenario, where we not gonna trade long or short. We should book, or we should actually book our profits or loss as we approach in this particular midway region. So we have not traded anything here, and as soon as the price moves up again from this intermediate zone and both the super trend goes below, so we became long at 15,976. So we initiated our trade, which is at 15,976, and our direction is long or buy. And then we remain into our trade here as soon as our closing price is below both the super trend. And as soon as the price enters into the intermediate section of these two super trend, somewhere here, we should exit from our trade, which is at 19,153. So we exit at 19,153. How many points we have got is equal to this minus this, because we are long 3,177. So how much profit we have got is equal to this multiplied by the lot size with profit. And then once we are in here, we are in sideways market here, so we don't initiate any particular trade, and the trade in question arises, our another trade, it's here. The closing price was 19,016, where both the super trends are up to our closing price. So we go again and write 19,016, and here our direction is short because both the super trends are up the closing price, and we remain short, we remain short, we remain short. And here, as soon as we enters into this range, we book exit our position, which is at something around 19,140. So we exit at 19,140. So our points are in this, we have got losses equals to this minus our exit price, this. So we lose minus 124 points. So our total profit and loss is this multiplied by the lot size, as we did in our earlier trade. So we lose minus 4,960. And then again, we have got a signal here. Both the super trends are down and the closing price is above. So we became long at something around 19,230. So we again become long at 19,230. And then see where we're going to exit. So we see we actually will be gonna on this trade till now, because we have not received any particular signal so that we should book our exit or book our profit and loss. So somewhere around the Bank Nifty today is something around 23,485. So we write 23,485. what our points are, because we are long, is equal to this minus our entry, this, and our profit and loss would be is equal to this multiplied by the lot size, this. And so, see, in last 2 years, we have done only 4 trades and we are still long in the bank nifty. What's our total profit and loss is? 3,22,800 rupees in last 2 years, just with a single lot on a bank nifty with the help of this Supertrend indicator system. The margin blocked in the bank nifty one block, it's close to something around 80,000, which I just put on a higher side, but still it's well enough. So ROCE, return on capital, is equal to this divided by your margin blocked. So ROC is 404% in just 2 years with your capital investment of 80,000. So dear friends, this is the power of this simple indicator, which is Supertrend. So as we see, this is but actually it has some limitation. As we have seen, it's very good in trending markets. Supertrend is a trending indicator, and like all trending indicator, it works well in trending markets, that is in uptrends and in the downtrends. There is nothing called so much perfect in technical analysis, and so is Supertrend. It can also give you some false signals in the sideways market. That's why we have designed our strategy that we are not going to trade in those sideways market zone where both of the Supertrend have a kind of intersection region. And hence, if you are an intraday trader or the swing trader or a positional trader, you can use this indicator as part of your trading strategy. And definitely, you want to use Supertrend in your trading arsenal. Supertrend basically is constructed with the 2 parameters, as we have seen, the ATR and the multiplier. The ATR we have used is 10, and the multiplier we have used is 4 and 6. This second parameter can be reduced if you want Supertrend to react more rapidly to the price, like 2 or 1, but it may end up generating many more false signals. So the default parameter of 10 and 4 and 10 and 6 work just fine. And friends, we have seen this application for a longer term perspective. You can also see the same thing on a short term or on a swing term basis. Let's see any other script. Say, let's see Tata Steel. And you see here, you have a long signal here, you enter long here, you book your profits here, you again become long here, and you are still remain in that particular trade. And if we go to a lower time frame, say 5 days, 60 minutes, or basically 30 days, 60 minutes, so that we can see in much more detail. You see, friends, you become short here, and then you book your profit somewhere here. You become long here, and you book your profits here. You again become long here, and you should be remain in that particular trade till now. So that is all from my side, friend, about the introduction of this Supertrend TRR TFA Power Strategy 1. We gonna have a series of webinar where I would like you to attend us live so that we can have multiple questions answers in this same category. And very soon we'll be coming with all of our different power strategies. And if you have any questions, then you can actually ask us, and then we actually try our best to fulfill your queries. And happy trading, and definitely use the super trend for your trading arsenal, and I'm sure you'll make a lot of money. But remember, friends, your dedication, your discipline, and your attitude to execute this particular indicator or any trading, it's very important. Remember those things and always trade with a stop loss. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye.